cover it with something?
Yeah, I know. That's what we call them, some legs.
Look at the picture.
I think that's what we meant. Type one of these. There we go.
No.
This is cheap. Look at it. It's like cheap material. Real cheap. Like, this is like high quad. If it was high quad, if I didn't touch this, this wouldn't be like all dangling like this.
You wouldn't have any of the stuff to be able to make it, honey.
Well, we pour, so we're gonna use what we get.
And also, you think those metal stuff is cheap?
It's not cheap, you buy in bulk.
You don't even have anything cut metal.
You buy in bulk, you get. So the tool is not 100% stable. Go ahead, go ahead. So the tool is not 100% stable. It is a little bit. This is really. It's a light scratch onto the plastic piece, even though it's only $20. Light scratch, and it's not sturdy. I mean, the leg is it's hard to pull out, and there's some part is shaking. It's not 100% good, and especially this leg here. Sometimes it's hard to pull out. It's not 100%. I mean, I screwed it in really tightly, but it's not 100% sturdy. So there you go. That's my review for bench building, freight tool, harbor freight tool.